Hello, my jelly bean and gingerbread. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. The name is Plunkett. Let's get into this one. Now, people, from you look at the topic, you see that it's an interesting one. It's Beyonce's new album, Lemonade, and I want some of that. No, I want to talk about a few things about the album itself, the visual documentary for the album. First of all, I want to say it's a beautiful artwork. That's how that's the best adjective I can put to it. It's a beautiful artwork. And the reason I say that is because the storytelling, how the video is put together, she embraced her culture, she embraced black women, she embraced women overall. Um, the contrast in everything in the video was amazing to me, especially the scene where she was under the water in that room in the bed. It was just so epic. I don't know, all the Bay fans, them out there, the beehives, whatever you wanna call themselves, supposed to rejoice when y'all see this. But for me, I wasn't much of a fan of Beyonce, but I really liked her content. But I was sold on this. I was sold on this album. To be honest, I was on the wall, but now I'm sold on this album for what she did. Now let's get on to the meat and the matter. Beyonce got cheated on by Jay-Z. Can you believe it? Yes, the poor couple. He cheated on her, supposedly, based on all the video, and what she did and said in the video. She threw the ring at him in the camera like that and say, "I gave you life," that she's referencing her baby. And, he cheated on her with a Becky. We all know who the Beckys are. All the Beckys out there, don't be offended, but think about it. When a sister gets cheated on by a Becky or a white girl, it is really hard for that sister to actually take that and deal with that and ask herself why is she not good enough, So there's this long line of questioning and insecurity and everything when you come on to that, when a man cheat on a sister for a Becky, or as they call it. But the point I'm trying to make is that this album is very beautiful and people should read between the lines. Stop hating the album, because it's not your album for what it is. It's a art, it's a masterpiece, it's a beautiful artwork, and she has put a lot into it, and I really appreciate her for that, because her music have substance. And nowadays you have music out there that makes no sense. They're singing about guns and does the same thing over and over again. It gets boring. So now that Beyonce has, put out this beautiful album, I love it, and I know her fans do too. And the part I really like is they're infusing reggae into their albums. Rihanna did work. We have to work. Get in some work. Yo, work. But yeah, she, had that little reggae vibe with the album, and I really like that. Hold on for a minute. No, I want you to let me know how you feel about this album. Tell me what you took from the album. If you haven't listened to it, if you're not a Beyonce fan, go and listen to the album. Females, listen to it. Tell me what you think about it, and how it has changed your life, because I know a lot of you live up to these people, and the music and the things they do shape how you look at things. Also, just to point out, Beyonce husband cheated on her and she's still with him, so that should tell you a lot, that forgiveness start from within. And in order to have any relationship or successful relationship, you have to go through the struggles in order to get where you want to go, to get the best results. So struggles are real, and you just have to deal with it the best way you can. So that's my take on the whole Lemonade. I really want some of that lemonade. Beyonce, you did well. Gingerbread and jelly bean, I'm out. Remember to subscribe and share. Videos post Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. Look out for more mini clips like these. Look out for the vlogs. I'm coming back, people. I'm coming back hard.